Hey guys, this is your best friend in the business, Cyril Gupta, and today I want to tell you about a all new software that I just took for a ride. Well, actually, it's not all new, it's an all new version, an all new release of a software that's been in the market for some time. It's a proven product, but now it's been made so much better with AI. Well, it's called CourseReel Max AI, and this software can help you produce courses using AI, and not just courses. With it, you can create courses, video courses. I'm talking about video courses. You can also create promotion videos to promote your courses and any other product that you might have. And you can also create quizzes that you can use to recruit people into your courses. You can use them as giveaways. You can use them to bring you leads, because these quizzes can also connect to any autoresponder and bring you fresh leads all on autopilot. All you need to do is drive some traffic and they're going to work for you. So it's a three-ended product, three-pronged product: courses, video courses, promotion videos, and also quizzes. And I'm going to tell you this, I took it for a complete audit. You know me, when I take a product for a check, I investigate it thoroughly and I check out all the features, everything that is there in the software. And this product has a lot of good things going. I want to show it to you, so we'll do that next. You can see the demo, you can see how it's working and all the features in it. But before we do that, I want to remind you that if at the end of the demo you decide to pick this product up, you got to make sure to get it from my link. And the reason is, then I'll be able to give you access to all my amazing products using the Technic Force Rewards program, and that gives you access to all of my top end products. So make sure you get my products when you buy CourseReel Max AI. Now let's go and take a look at the demo.
Alright guys, so I'm inside of CourseReel AI Max, and though the name is CourseReel, this app does a little bit more. So you can create courses, of course, but you can also create promotional videos. So if you want to promote your course or you want to promote anything else, you can create a promotional video too. And you can also create quizzes, and these quizzes can work as a lead magnet. You can attract people to the quiz, have them take the quiz and grab their email address. So this is kind of like a total solution, like a multi-product solution for coaches and teachers and people who are online marketers. So you can start your coaching and training business with this product. Let's see how it works and let's see what it can do for you in practice. So the first thing, click on courses. This is where you see all the courses that you created. So far, there are none. So I'm going to start off by creating a new course. Let's call it Growing Tomatoes in the Kitchen Garden. Yeah, my favorite topic always. And you can target the country. So what country you want to target, you can select that here. And you can also select what language. So this is multilingual because it's using AI, so it can produce these courses in all these languages. And even if you don't know the particular language that you want to create the course in, well, this software can do the job. Click on next. And it's already created the basics of the course. So you've got some inputs. You can either put in your own keyword or you can use AI powered input. So there are these many different, topics that you can use. But I'm going to go with my own. So let's call it Growing Tomatoes. That's my topic. That's my keyword. And when I click on search topics, it's going to use AI to recommend further topics that I can create the course on. So you can see it got topics like do-it-yourself tomatoes, trellises and supports for home garden, saving tomato seeds, growing heirloom tomatoes, understanding the tomato plant, nutrients and fertilizers, managing pests. Pretty comprehensive list and a lot of different things, right? So I can choose what I want to use. So let's go for seasonal care for tomato plants, spring to fall. Looks pretty interesting, right? And that's a niche I might not even have thought of. So that's immediately quite an interesting thing, because I can get started with a topic without having to think of it first, because this AI will recommend it to me. Next, it also gives you the table of contents, kind of the recommended chapters in your course. So you've got topics like preparing plants for fall, harvesting techniques, pruning and staking, lots of different things, fertilization techniques, managing watering. All of these topics in the course are created by the AI. And you can just click on add this, like this, to add these chapters to your course, right? Doesn't take more than a few seconds, and you have a comprehensive course framework ready for you. And if you want to add your own custom one, click on the plus button and add your own custom course, custom chapter. But when you're done, click on next, and then you can have a script generated for you. So you can either write the script yourself, or you can upload your own video and audio, or you can record your audio. So basically it gives you the level of customization that you want. So if you want to write the entire course and update it, the script you prepared, the AI prepared, you don't like it, no problems, you can do it. If you want to put your own video, like I'm talking to you right now, and you want to kind of put something like that, you can do that. Or you can have visuals on the screen generated by the AI, made by the software, but the audio can be yours. So all of these options are here. All right, what we got to do now is generate each chapter's content. For that, click on it, click on the chapter name, make sure it's selected over here, like preparing plans and whatever, and click on create, write, and update. And you can see the AI content is here. You can just click on use this, it will be used. Then click on next. And you can choose whether you want to go for AI generated images or stock images. But now these images are going to be used in the slideshow, right? So the AI images will be created using AIs, and stock images are going to be used by trawling all those free stock websites and finding the stock images that can work for this. And you have two sizing options for this. You can either create a video that's for YouTube, which is like the horizontal one, 16:9, or you can create a vertical video. If you want to create a smaller video, or you want to put it on TikTok or somewhere, you can create 9:16. And if you want to put in your photograph in there, kind of like a talking head, like this one, but this is the real recording. Now, if you want to put in something that is not real, but so you can upload your image in here and it will try to animate it. You can put in head movements too. And if you want to clone your voice, you can do so. I'm not going to clone my voice for this one. I'll just use the AI voices. Click on generate, and you can see it's generating. So we got to do this for each of these, right? So that's not gonna take long, I suppose. I'm just gonna go through this, go for the default options, and come here. Harvesting techniques, same thing, create new video. Click on generate to generate the text. All right, so this is something I'm doing from scratch. They're gonna take a few seconds, I suppose. All right, done already. You have a couple of different options, right? So you got to read them and see what you like. And if you want more, you can click on load more. I'll just use this one randomly. Click on next. The same thing again, right? So I'm gonna just go for the same options. This time, no talking head. Click on generate video. So each chapter can have a different kind of treatment, right? Let's go for the third one. Create. All right, so I think I need to just select from here, pruning and shaking, right? This is probably easier. Click on generate, takes a few seconds. All right, so now I'm just gonna do the rest off camera so that we can have a completed course and I don't just take your time just showing you over and over the same thing. All right, so I did all of these and it took me less than 10 minutes. But now I can see most of the videos are actually already generated. The last one is getting generated now. It won't take too long, I suppose. And it says awaiting customization. So now before generating the final video, I can actually see what's being generated and I can edit it. So let's do that. So you can see the script is flowing like this. I'm just let the slide gonna come up, still waiting. So you can see this is a video slide. Mulching helps protect and nourish your plants during dormancy. As you can see, every single text has a background video, different kind of shots. Some of them, actually all of them are videos, right? Now on the bottom timeline, I can see the links are broken for some reason, but I can see them pretty well on the preview screen, so that's perfectly fine. By the way, you can modify the text, you can move it around. So if you want to just move it to the bottom a little bit, perfectly fine. You can just click on it and drag it, right? Pretty intuitive. You can make it smaller or bigger, up to you. Just gonna put it here. And then you have a further toolbar on the top, so you can modify the text style, you can modify the text color. So if I want to, let's say, make it purple, I could do that. The gray is actually looking better. I can change the background too. So If I want to make it something like this, I think I'll go for this one. Yeah, not looking so bad. And I can have I can change the highlight color. I can change the highlight background color. I can add more space between the text, and I can apply the same style to all the slides in just one go. That's pretty neat, right? And in the backgrounds, I can actually replace this with a custom background. So you've got video options, colors, you can put in solid backgrounds, you can upload your own slide and videos, and you can create a video using, you can create an image using AI. So let's say tomato in a farm. Let's try this one. Click on generate. Taking a few seconds, as AI usually takes. Here we go, pretty decent image, and it just gets replaced fast. You can also go for stock media. So if I put in tomatoes here, I should get a lot of different images from the stock media websites. You can see there's a lot of different options to choose from. Let's go for this one. Kind of like it. Yep, pretty cool, yeah? You can also find videos from stock, right? So again, tomatoes. Do we have any tomato videos? We do have it or not. Not sure if this returned it or not. Anyways, so you can put in your solid color or upload like I showed you earlier. I'll just stick with this image. Media. Again, it's the same thing. You can put in your media. If you want to replace the voiceover, you can do that. You can clone your voice, and it integrates with 11 Labs for that. So you need to have an 11 Labs account. That's something you need to know. So to clone your voice, you need to have an 11 Labs account. You can integrate it here, or you can use one of the AI voices. So I'm just going to use English, British, US English actually. And let's go for Stephen. Click on generate to generate the voice. For the fourth slide, we didn't generate it for the first few slides. So we should actually do that. I'll try to do that. And preview.
Mulching also suppresses weed growth and gradually breaks down to enrich the soil with organic matter.
All right, so you do have a lot of different options. You can use one of them, and once you're satisfied, click on use, and the voiceover is applied successfully. Perfect, right? So I'm gonna try and go for slide 1 right from here. All right, so can go from here, click on this, click on generate. The settings are all here. Would take a few seconds. Click on use. Voiceover applied. Do the same thing on the second slide. Third one. Here we go. This was fast. I think fourth one we already did. Use. And the fifth one, generate, use. All right, so that's done. Now you can put in your talking head, like I told you earlier, upload an image and make it work. We already did it on the first video. And you can put in background tracks too. So let's try to see what fits. Okay, so this is actually running. I wonder if there is a preview system. Okay, so I kind of cannot hear the track. Maybe when we click on preview, it should be visible. Yeah, you can see this now.
The role of mulching in protecting your garden. Mulching
looks like
a
a finished video,
practice
right?
that-
As it's moving from slide to slide, there is a lag during preview, but that's okay. But you can listen to the music this way, pretty easy.
that can greatly benefit your plants.
I think I'll stick to that one, not a problem at all. Gonna pause this. You can also have an animation. I think this is for the slide. So if you want to bring in a slide with a different animation, you can do that. So let's try for, I think we are on the, I don't know, we're on the 5th slide. Let's go for this one, this slide, yeah?
Organic mulch, such as straw, chopped leaves, or wood chip.
Close the preview. Okay, we are here. We are here. And let's do back and down or back and left, something like that, yeah? Yeah, it shows you a preview. So that's for the text actually. We have the transition. I think this is for the entire slide. So I'll just, you go do wipe left for this one. Finally, settings, you can add your logo. I'm going to put in my logo. Pretty good thing to do. Always brand your videos if you can. Go into projects. Here we go. Graphics. I'm gonna put my logo. This one's pretty neat, yeah. You can choose where you want the logo to be. Top center, bottom right, top right actually, bottom right. Yep, perfect. Keep the logo on for a little while. You can add your watermark if you want to. This is for the voiceover and the background audio control. So right now the voiceover is 100% and the background audio is 15%. I think that's a good balance. I wouldn't touch these settings. They're already balanced. And finally, you can have an intro. You can upload an intro video and an outro video. So if you have any call to action, something like, hey, subscribe to this channel for more details and so on. Or if you want to have an intro animation, you can just set it all there. And that's okay. Finally, when you're done, you can preview it one more time.
Prepare your tomato plants for dormancy. Consider the role of mulching in protecting your garden. Mulching is a vital.
And once you're ready, click on render. Now the rendering thing is gonna take a little while. It's gonna do every step bit by bit. You can see it's downloading resources, and I think similarly it will do for everyone. Let me see if I can get everything to render with the defaults. Edit, render. Perfect. So it's starting off the rendering for everything, right? Render. That shouldn't take long. Here we go. Everything is done by default, right? That's the magic of AI. That's exactly what we want. I don't want to be spending hours doing things. I just want to churn out videos that I can use as lead magnets, that I can give away, that I can use in courses, that I can use to attract people. So it's cool this way, because then you don't have to spend a lot of time doing things. All right, so while these get rendered, let's take a look at the other features. Like there is promo videos, and you can click on generate video. You can call it some name like my promotion, and you have two options. Either you can create the promotion for a video that you created, a course that you created from inside the software, so you can just do that, or you can create something with custom input. So now, since our course is not done, but let's try it anyways. I think it has the materials. So the Growing Tomatoes course, doing a promotion for that. And if we kind of click next, it should just put up a promo together all by itself, right? That's how easy it is. So I think it's collecting the materials now. Let's let it, yeah, it's already done that. Fantastic. So this is the copy that is prepared based on the course. So now you can read the copy. Imagine stepping into your garden and being greeted by the vibrant, juicy tomatoes you've always dreamed of. Picture your kitchen filled with rich aroma of freshly picked tomatoes. So pretty good copy to get started with. I'm not going to read the entire thing, right? And again, you can choose whether you want to generate the images or you want to go for the stock images. I'll go for the stock images as usual. I don't want any talking heads. I don't want any clone voices. And it's already generating the video, right? Just done for you. And finally, there is the quiz maker. So you can create a quiz that can be your lead magnet. Click on create new, create quizzes. And let's call it, what does it take to grow tomatoes at home? Quiz. All right. You can definitely think of a better topic. I didn't do such a great job just putting it together. And again, you can create your quiz from your courses or just do manual prompting. So if you are a course creator, you can create a complete course in less than what? 10 minutes, 15 minutes, right? So I'll just take whatever options it's given me and click on next. Let's make it medium difficult. Question count 50 is too much. Nobody's going to do 50 questions. So I'll just stick with 10. Timer minutes, let's say about 10 minutes, 1 minute per question is good enough. And then you can create a form where you can have people fill in their details and you can use it to feed your autoresponder. By the way, it does support a lot of different autoresponders. Let me see if I can show you a list in integrations. Let it load. First name, email, that's what I like to grab. I haven't added any autoresponders because I haven't integrated anything yet. So here you can see. You can connect your social websites. By the way, if you click on connect, so it's gonna ask for your email or phone. I haven't put it up, but there's different connections over here. So you can connect all these apps and you can connect your favorite autoresponder. So click on connect and you can just put in the form, the opt-in code, the form that you generate, that the autoresponder generates. You can just put in that form and the rest will be auto handled by the software. So that's pretty easy. No need to think at all, no need to worry about integrations at all, and it integrates with every single autoresponder out there, right? Pretty good. So click on next. And I think it's generating the course right now, generating the quiz right now, and it's done. So you got this quiz: which tomato varieties are best suited for making sauce or pasta? All the different 10 questions are here. You can choose the order. So if you want to shift the order, just move it around like this a little bit, right? Easy. So you can see I'm shuffling the order quite a bit. It's a little bit fun to do this. Yeah, but it automatically rearranges itself. And this is the quiz link. So if you want to distribute it, you can use the quiz link. By the way, you can put in your domains and point it to the subdomain using CNAME transfer. So that's not difficult at all. If you want to use this on your own domain, pretty doable. Finally, once you're ready, reviewing your quiz, if you want to change anything, you can change whatever you want. You can change the order of these answers too. You can delete them if you want to. You can put them in PDFs, whatever you want. Once you're done, click on save. Right, that's all it took. By the way, when people take the quiz, you will be able to see the participants here, and you can see how many quizzes were taken, what the answers were, and so on. And you can also create a landing page for your course and your quiz. Let's call it tomato page, to sell your course, right? That's fun. And it can automatically create this using AI. You don't need to do a single thing. Just put your course in there. That's all. And you've got 8 different templates to choose from. I'm gonna just go with this one, and click on next. And it's generating the landing page. Let's go back to our course, see if we got the videos yet. Edit. Render successful. So you can see the video is ready, and you can either download it or publish it. So if you want to publish it, you can publish to all these different places. I'm just going to download it and show it to you right now. Okay, so output MP4, let's call it course 1. Let's take a look at it. I'm gonna load up. Hold on there, I'm just on a second screen. Hard to do things when you are on multiple screens. Okay, I'm just gonna load this up. Let me put it on the screen.
As you prepare your tomato plants for dormancy, consider the role of
You can see
mulching
my
in
logos
protecting your
there.
garden. Mulching is a vital practice that can
Background,
greatly
the
benefit your
foreground,
plants.
everything is in place.
Apply a thick layer of organic mulch,
I put in a little transition. It
such
showed
as
up.
straw, chopped leaves, or wood chips, around the base of your tomato plants. This layer acts as an insulating blanket,
So it actually gives you a random transition each
regulating
time.
soil temperature and moisture levels is critical during the fluctuating temperatures of fall and early winter. Mulching is essential for maintaining these conditions. This precaution is vital, as direct contact can create a
Pretty cool video, generated all by itself. I didn't do much at all, and the renderings all done. It didn't take long. It was virtually about 10 or 12 minutes and the entire course is done. Let's take a look at the promotion video. That's actually awaiting customization. So I haven't asked to render it yet, so I will just now do that. Go back and click on quiz. That'll be done soon. The quiz maker, it's already generated. I showed it to you. Let's see if the landing page is generated. Already done. That was fast. Click on go to, and you can see my tomato page landing page. Unlock the secrets to a bountiful tomato harvest, right? The headline is there. The second description is there. You can put in your own video. Maximize your tomato harvest. You can see everything is on the point, right? It's not vague. It's not something that's weird. So you can change things, of course, but it's all done for you, all ready for you. So Vidnios, that's something different. Get tomato page, and you can of course put in your links. So basically 95% of the work is done for you. That's cool, that's easy, that makes things great. I would love 95% of my work done. So if promotion video could be done too by now, so it's still downloading, maybe another couple of minutes. All right, guys, so I'm not going to wait for promotion video, but you've seen the product. You've seen how soon and how efficiently it can generate the course videos and how you can use them as lead magnets, give them away, sell them, create a complete compilation of courses, do absolutely what you want. I have the product for you, demonstrated, so that if you like it, get it from my link, and I'll tell you exactly the reason why, because when you do that, I can then give you access to my Technique Force rewards. All right, so there is my website, techniqueforcerewards.in, and if you go there, you'll be able to grab my reward points and claim them to get my software absolutely free of cost. You don't need to do anything, and you can get access to my entire range. So you can go to techniqueforce.com to select some of my products. They're all listed here. Yes, every single one of them is available inside the Technique Force reward store, and you get access every time you buy a product through me. CourseReel Max AI, CourseReel AI Max. Get this from me today to get access to my reward points, and I'll see you inside if you do. This is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business, signing off.